Do you like this type of glowing text? I promise you, you can add it to your next video. Let's learn how to do it. First, we need to text from this toolbar, type tool, select it, press on window, or we just press on the keyboard. Ctrl 3, then double click select, middle point it, then write your text. Like we write glow, then we can do it a little bit bigger. Then we can change our font from here, like we do it bold, click shadow, scroll down, then the opacity we need to increase max, okay? Then the distance we need to do it 0. If we increase our blur, it's already glowing. If we want to glow more, then we need to increase the size 3, then if we see it's glowing. Okay. Also now we can change the color. Select color. Then if we select yellow, that will be yellow. Also we can change the shadow color. Select the pen and copy. You can see it's glowing. If you see here over glowed, then you can change size from here. Like if we set it 5, then it will be fixed. That's the easy process for glowing text. And now the bonus point is, you no need to do this every time. You can set it like as a style. If you select style, then create select style. You just save your name, then okay, it's already saved style. Like I have one glow. Also now we can set keyframe for the motion. Now again going to the effect control, search transform, drag and drop your transform effect, then again effect control, then we can change motion from transform. Select scale and do it 0, and there is the 100, 0 to 100, it's a little bit animation. Select your shutter angle 180, set as a keyframe, and then again reset, it will be 0. Then you can see this animation. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you next video.